You might be surprised to know that a huge amount of people walk around with weak core muscles and don't even realize it. They think they need a gym membership or fancy equipment to build a strong core. But let me tell you, that's just not true. You can build insane core strength right at home with zero equipment. Think you can handle it? Let's find out. We're starting with a classic for a reason. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Now imagine you're trying to touch your knees with your elbows, using only your abs to lift you. Don't pull on your neck. Keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement. Slow and controlled is the name of the game. Quality over quantity, always. Let those abs burn. Time to test that core strength. Get into a push-up position, but instead of your hands on the ground, rest on your forearms. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Imagine someone's trying to push down on your back. You've got to resist. Hold this position, keeping your core tight. Don't let those hips sag. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up. You got this. Let's kick it up a notch. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, knees bent. Now, bring your right elbow to your left knee, twisting your torso. At the same time, extend your right leg straight out. It's like pedaling a bike, but with your abs. Keep alternating sides, maintaining that core engagement. Remember, slow and controlled for maximum impact. Feel that burn. Leg raises. Elevate your core strength. Ready to feel the burn? Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, palms down. Keeping your legs straight, raise them towards the ceiling. Engage that core. Lower your legs back down, but don't let them touch the ground. Keep that tension in your abs throughout the entire movement. You're in control. This one's a killer, but trust me, it's worth it. Mountain climbers, climb your way to a shredded core. Get ready to work. Mountain climbers are an incredible exercise that targets multiple muscle groups at once, making them a staple in any effective workout routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this move can be modified to suit your fitness level. So let's dive in and break down the steps to mastering mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position, shoulders over wrists, core engaged. This is your foundation. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. This not only protects your lower back but also maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise. Now bring one knee towards your chest, like you're climbing a mountain. Imagine you're scaling a steep incline, using your core strength to drive your knee forward. This movement engages your lower abs and hip flexors, crucial for building a strong core. Quickly alternate legs, keeping your core tight and your back flat. Speed is key here, but form should never be compromised. As you switch legs, maintain a steady rhythm. This not only challenges your cardiovascular system but also enhances your coordination and agility. Don't let those hips rise up. Keeping your hips level ensures that your core remains engaged and prevents unnecessary strain on your lower back. If you find your hips creeping up, slow down and reset your form. Quality over quantity is the mantra here. This is a full-body exercise that will have your heart rate pumping and your abs screaming. Push yourself. Mountain climbers not only target your core but also work your shoulders, chest, and legs. The rapid leg movement increases your heart rate, making it an excellent cardio workout. As you push through the burn, remember that each rep brings you closer to a stronger, more shredded core. Stay focused, keep breathing, and give it your all. You got this. Russian twists. Twist your way to a stronger core. Welcome to the next step in your fitness journey. Today, we're focusing on an exercise that targets your core like no other. Get ready to feel the burn and strengthen those obliques with Russian twists. Let's finish strong. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet flat. This is your starting position. Make sure you're comfortable and have enough space around you to move freely. It's important to maintain good posture even before you start the exercise. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core engaged. This slight lean will activate your core muscles, preparing them for the twists. Remember, the key to this exercise is maintaining a strong, engaged core throughout. Hold your hands together in front of you. You can clasp them together or hold a weight for added resistance. This position helps you maintain balance and control as you twist. Now twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor on each side. Feel that oblique burn. As you twist, focus on moving your torso rather than just your arms. This ensures that your core is doing the work, not your shoulders or arms. You can make this exercise more challenging by lifting your feet off the ground. This adds an extra level of difficulty, engaging your lower abs and improving your balance. If you're new to this, start with your feet on the ground and gradually work your way up. Keep that core tight and those twists controlled. You're almost there. It's crucial to maintain control throughout the movement to avoid straining your back. Quality over quantity. Focus on doing each twist with proper form rather than rushing through them. Feel the sweat on your forehead? That's your body getting stronger. Embrace the challenge and push through. Each twist is a step towards a stronger, more defined core. And there you have it. You've completed the Russian twists. Take a moment to appreciate your effort and the progress you're making. Consistency is key, and every rep counts. Great job. Remember, incorporating exercises like Russian twists into your routine can significantly improve your core strength and stability. Keep up the good work and stay committed to your fitness goals. Don't forget to stretch and cool down after your workout. This helps prevent injury and aids in muscle recovery. A strong core is essential for overall fitness, and you're well on your way to achieving it. Stay hydrated and listen to your body. Hydration is crucial for muscle function and recovery. Keep pushing yourself, but also know when to rest. Track your progress and set new goals. Whether it's increasing the number of twists or adding more resistance, setting goals helps keep you motivated and focused. Congratulations on completing this chapter. Keep twisting your way to a stronger core, and remember, every effort you make brings you closer to your fitness goals. Stay strong and keep moving forward. So there you have it, 6 killer AB exercises that are designed to target every part of your core. These exercises are not just about aesthetics, they are about building a strong foundation for your entire body. A strong core can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and enhance your overall athletic performance. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, these exercises can be modified to suit your level. You can do these exercises anywhere, anytime, without the need for a gym membership or fancy equipment. Imagine doing your workout on a balcony with a beautiful sunrise, in your living room while watching your favorite show, or even in a park surrounded by nature. The flexibility of these exercises means you can fit them into your busy schedule no matter where you are. With absolutely no equipment, you can still achieve a powerful workout. Bodyweight exercises are incredibly effective and can be done with minimal space. All you need is a mat and a little bit of motivation. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about doing 100 crunches in one day, it's about making these exercises a part of your daily routine. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your core strength and overall fitness. As you continue to incorporate these exercises into your routine, you'll start to see and feel the difference. Your core strength will skyrocket, and you'll be able to perform other exercises with greater ease. Take progress photos to track your journey and celebrate your achievements. Which exercise are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Sharing your goals and progress can help keep you motivated and accountable. And if you're serious about taking your fitness to the next level, it's important to incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine. Strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises all play a crucial role in overall fitness. Lifting dumbbells, running on a treadmill, and doing push-ups are great ways to complement your ab workouts and build a well-rounded fitness regimen. Nutrition is also a key component of achieving your fitness goals. Make sure to check out my other videos for tips on nutrition and meal planning. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates will fuel your workouts and help you recover faster. Preparing healthy meals, enjoying a fresh salad, and drinking a protein shake are all part of a healthy lifestyle that supports your fitness journey. Building a complete workout plan is essential for long-term success. Follow a structured plan on your tablet, keep a fitness journal to track your progress, and stay committed to your goals. Completing each workout session brings you one step closer to unlocking your inner six-pack. You got this. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, and remember that every small step counts towards your ultimate goal. Let's embark on this fitness journey together.